sponge my teeth. Close to a bubble gum. Delicious. Here we go. All right. Holy guacamole. Would be a good position. Welcome back, fellas and fellacitas, to a new episode of 4-Wheel Chat. Today's flavor is just first wash after at least 5 years. So let's see, when we will pressure wash it, how the beauty will turn out. Hopefully a little bit better. At least the tires, they are dirty, but they are pretty glancyful. Glancy, creaky, doodabby, must be an eye catcher afterwards. Something like that. I doubt it, but let's start the game.
What a great day to be alive!
So have a quick walk around. As you can see, the car is dirty. Yes, we have some fights, but all what matters today is get all the mud off. At least here on the side screens. Could be good to close them before you get with a pressure wash. So I don't know, the car is pretty dirty. Even the tires, the fenders, all metal around is pretty dirty. So let's see what we can do. First pressure wash. I like it. So got my little tiny pressure washer and we will see how it turns out. So for a closer look, wet cars are looking always better. So that's the reason why it looks like now like shine new. But if you're going closer, you see some tiny little spots, I would say. So the water is just doing nothing about the scratches. But I like the result. It's a little bit better than before. Would love to clean it inside also with the pressure wash, but unfortunately not today. Fellas, thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe and share all the footage. That was just a quick wash of the BJ73. Beautiful car, reliable, like a beast. And next episode would be assembling back the FJ75, which is close by if you already saw it. So, fellas and felacitas, have a beautiful weekend and see you next time on a 4-wheel chat. See ya.